CVMC, EC, NMMC, Triple E, Unit 3, multiple integrals, lesson 2, problems, problem 1. Evaluate integral 0 to 1, integral 0 to 2, x square plus y dx dy. So here all limits are, upper and lower limits are constants. So we have to integrate this one, x square plus y, first with respect to x, second with respect to y. First, second. So actually these are x limits, these are y limits. According to given problem, here x limits are 0 to 2, y limits are 0 to 1. So your solution is I is equal to 0 to 1 to 0 to 2 x square plus y dx dy. Integral 0 to 1, integration with respect to x, x square integration of x cube by 3 plus y constant, integral dx is x, 0 to 2 dy. 0 to 1. First to substitute upper limit. Here integration with respect to x. That's why instead of x you substitute upper limit. 2 cube 8 by 3. Instead of x you substitute 2y. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of x you write 0, 0. Now, remaining one is into 0 to 1, 8 by 3 plus 2y dy. 8 by 3 integral dy is y plus 2 into integral y square by 2. X power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. 0 to 1. So upper limit, instead of y you write 1 here. 8 by 3 plus 2 cancel, 1 square 1. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of y you write 0, 0, 0. So 8 by 3 plus 1. 8 plus 3 by 3. 11 by 3. Problem 2. Evaluate integral 1 to 2 into 1 to 3 x y square dy dx. So your solution is, so according to given problem, y limits are, here are all limits are constants. So y limits are 1 to 3, x limits are 1 to 2. We have to integrate first with respect to y, second with respect to x. So I is equal to integral 1 to 2, integral 1 to 3 x y square dy dx. Integral 1 to 2. x constant, y square integration with respect to y cube by 3, 1 to 3 dx, integral 1 to 2 x into y cube. Instead of y you write 3 upper limit, 3 cube, 27 by 3 minus, instead of y you write 1 by 3 dx, integral 1 to 2 x into 27 minus 1, 26 by 3 dx, 26 by 3 constant, integral 1 to 2 x dx, 26 by 3 integral x square by 2, 1 to 2. This is equal to 26 by 3, 2 square, 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 26 by 3 into 3 by 2. 3 cancel, 13. Problem 3. Evaluate. Suppose the problem is given integral 1 to 2, 1 to 3 xy square dx dy. Same problem, but order is dx dy. Here x limits are 1 to 3, y limits are 1 to 2. We have to integrate first with respect to x, second with respect to y. I is equal to integral 1 to 2, integral 1 to 3 xy square dx into dy. Integral 1 to 2, here integration with respect to x, y square constant, integral x is x square by 2, 1 to 3 dy. Integral 1 to 2 y square into upper limit 3 square 9 by 2, 1 square 1 by 2 dy. So integral 1 to 2 y square 8 by 2, 9 minus 1, 8 by 2 dy, 4, common 4. Y integral y 1 to 2 y square dy, 4 integral y square y cube by 3, 1 to 2, 4 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 1 cube 1 by 3, 4 into 7 by 3, 28 by 3. Now observe the difference. Problem 4. Evaluate. Integral 0 to 1 integral x2 root x square plus y square dx dy. This is your given problem. Observe carefully. Here variable limits are there. x2 root x, constant limits 0 to 1. Not all limits are constants. Variable limits are there. Here x is there. Whenever appearing x here, we have to integrate first with respect to y, opposite variable, x opposite variable y. So I is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral x2 root x square plus y square, first with respect to y, next with respect to x. So 0 to 1 integral x square constant, integral dy y, so x square y plus y square dy, integral y square dy means y cube by 3, x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. Integral x power of n dx is equal to x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. x2 root x dx. 0 to 1, substitute upper limit here, x square into root x whole cube by 3. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of y you write x square into x plus x cube by 3 dx. 0 to 1, x square into x power of 1 by 2, x power of 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 1 by 2, 5 by 2. This is x power of 3 by 2 by 3. This is x cube minus x cube by 3 dx. So you take 0 to 1, write one more step, x power of 5 by 2, 1 by 3 into x power of 3 by 2 minus 4x cube by 3 dx. Now integration with respect to x. X to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1, x power of n plus 1 formula. 7 by 2 by 7 by 2. 1 by 3. X power of 3 by 2 plus 1. 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Minus 4 by 3 into x power of x cube integration. X power of 4 by 4. 0 to 1. This is 2 by 7. X instead of x you write upper limit 1 power something 1. This is 2 by 3 into 5, 15 minus 4 cancel 1 by 3. Substituting lower limit here, 0 plus 0 minus 0, 0 need not write here. 15 LCM. 15 L, not 15, 105 LCM. 7 is there, 7 into 1. 7, 15, 3, LCM 105. In this 7, 15 times, 15 into 2, 30. 7 times plus 14 minus this is nearly 35 times. So 44 minus 35. 9 by 105. 3 table cancel. 3 by 35. This is your problem 5. Evaluate double integral xy dx dy over the positive quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Positive quadrant of the circle. Your solution is given circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. From this, y square is equal to a square minus x square. Y is plus or minus root of a square minus x square. So positive quadrant means y limits from 0 to root of a square minus x square. Y limits are 0 to root of a square minus x square. Put y is equal to 0 in above circle. X square is equal to a square. X is equal to plus or minus a. X limits are 0 to a. Positive quadrant. This is circle equation. Positive quadrant means this is positive quadrant. Take elementary step parallel to y axis. Y is equal to 0 on x axis. y is equal to 0. Here circle equation. Here y is root over a square minus x square. Radius a. X limit 0 to a. Y limit 0 to root of a square minus x square. X limits 0 to a. So your I is equal to integral. Actually there is no limits here. We have to find limits according to the condition and the diagram. Here condition is positive quadrant. Diagram is circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square. We have to find limits of the double integration. So x limits 0 to a, y limits 0 to root over a square minus x square. First we write constant limit, next we write variable limits. X, y. Here x is there, opposite variable, we have to write opposite variable dy. Next dx. So integrating here 0 to a, x constant, y integration y square by 2. 0 to root over a square minus x square dx. 0 to a, x into, substituting upper limit, instead of y you write root of a square minus x square, whole square root cancel, we get a square minus x square by 2 dx. Common 1 by 2 into 0 to a square x minus x cube dx. 1 by 2 a square, integral x is x square by 2. Integral x cube is x power of 4 by 4. 0 to a. 1 by 2. Substitute upper limit. Instead of a, x you write a square, a power 4 by 2, a power 4 by 4. Substituting lower limit 0, need not write here. 1 by 2, 4 LCM, 2a power minus a power 4. So a power 4 by 4 into 2, 8. This is your final answer.